Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Steam using QR code. It's really simple and easy. So for this, you need the Steam application in your mobile. So go and download from the Play Store or App Store depending on your device and then open this application. You have to make sure that you are logged into your account. Then you have to come on this at the bottom navigation bar, and what you need to do is go and click on that shield icon like so, and this will open up the Steam Guard, and you will need to go and have an authenticator added. And then what you can do is you can simply scan the QR code for Steam to log in. And then what you can do is you can simply scan the QR code like this, and as you can see, it's asking to sign in. So just tap on this sign into Steam, and as you can see, sign in request is approved. And that's how you can log into Steam with QR code. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to log in to Steam with QR code. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.